Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this look that I thought would be suitable for Valentine's Day since it's coming up. So if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. So I already primed my eyelids using a concealer and I put a bone shade eyeshadow on top. So I'm going to start off with the crease and I'm going to use this Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette with the shade Warm Taupe. And I'm just using the brush that came with it. I like this blender brush and it's good to start off with. Tap off the excess and then we're just going to build it onto the crease. Then I'm just taking a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend that out even more. Then I'm going to take this Tarteist Pro palette and I'm going to use this shade right here. It is called Edgy and I'm going to also put it in the crease with a blending brush.
Until the very last hour, we still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get.
Then again, I'm going to use a clean blending brush and blend that out.
Control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all.
Then I'm just taking the same shade and I'm just putting it on the outer corner. And just blend it into the crease as well.
Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the.
And next I'm going to use two shades in the crease as well. These two right here, the pinkier shades and the mauve tone. So first I'm going in with the shade Maud, the more pinky one. Then the shade Drama as well. Then next I'm just going to take the Sephora High Coverage Concealer and put it on the back of my palms. And then I'm going to carve out my crease. I'm going to pop on a glittery shadow in there, so we want to put a nice base where it will stick. And what you want to do is you just want to tap it on, you don't want to drag it, it will come out nicer. Then from the top palette I'm going to use the shade Minx. It is a duochrome shadow and it has like this purple goldish tone to it, and I'm just going to pack that onto the area that I put in the concealer.
Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take.
Then from the top palette I'm just going to take the shade Smoked and I'm going to go over the lines of the shadow that we just put in to kind of blend it out, and I don't want it to be like seen too much where the line goes, so yeah. Then I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and clean out the edges and blend them out more. Then I'm going to put on some eyeliner and I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Then I'm just going to clean out my eyeliner and the shadow that's underneath it with some concealer.
Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul.
And then I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm going to use the shades, the darker shades that I use in the Tartist palette, which were Edgy, Smoky and Drama.
Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go.
And then with a clean blending brush, just blend that out.
Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Then some mascara. I'm using the Giorgio Armani Ice to Kill. Then I'm just going to pop on some lashes. These are from Isla. I'm not sure which ones these are because I just took off my eyelash extensions yesterday, so I'm just literally using whatever I have in my cupboard. But anyway. So I don't know what happened to my camera, but anyway, I put on some highlighter on my brow bone and the inner corner. So I used the middle shade Glow. Then next I'm just going to do the rest of my face, and I'm just going to start with priming and moisturizing. I am using the Clinique Moisture Surge. Then I'm going to use this Giorgio Armani Moisture Serum, and I like this one because it also gives me a nice glowy look. And for foundation today I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and it is in the shade Y245.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words?
And then the Real Technique sponge and just blend it out.
Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all.
And I'm just going to use the same Sephora concealer and brighten up my under eyes.
Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
And using the Kat Von D brightening powder in the shade Golden, I'm going to set my under eyes. Just going to grab some on a brush and pat it on. And using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation sticks, I'm going to use the shade Fawn to contour.
Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything.
Then I'm going to use this shade right here.
We lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in.
Then I'm going to put on some highlighter.
Just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Next I'm going to use this lipstick. It is from L'Oreal and it is the Color Rich matte lipstick, and it is in the shade 104. And last but not least, I'm going to use this face mist from Kix, and I'm going to set my face with it. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!